portion of the Garry-Moore-Show is brought to you today by Hoover, maker of fine appliances used around the house, around the world. And now, here is Richard.
And now, friends, we're about to bring you what we call, for want of a better name, the March of Comedy. And we're going to show you a scene as it might have been played by a famous pair of comedians of 30 years ago, and then we're going to do the same scene as a mock comedy team might do it. Now, the scene is a small apartment in a modest neighborhood as Dick-Van-Dyke and Chuck-McCann give you their impression of Laurel-Hardy in The Vacuum Cleaner Salesman.
How do you do, madam? I represent the Hoover-Vaccum Cleaner Company, and I was just wondering if you wouldn't be interested in procuring a machine. Maybe I'd better do it like this. How do you do, madam? What are you doing here? Now, look, if we want to really sell some of these machines, we better practice on each other. I got a great idea. I'll be the salesman. You be the housewife.
That's a good idea.
It certainly is. Wait a minute. I'll be the salesman. You be the housewife. Thanks. How do you do? I represent the Hoover-Vaccum Cleaner Company, and I was just wondering if you wouldn't be interested in buying...
That's fine. I'll take 3.
Fine. I'll have them packed up and... No, you won't. You didn't give me a chance to deliver my sales pitch. Now, I'll go out and you make it more difficult this time.
All right.
I'll take 3. How do you do?
We don't want any.
Get outside. You be the salesman. I'll be the housewife. We don't want any. I'll fix his wagon.
How do you do? I represent the Hoover-Vaccum Cleaner Company, and I wonder if you'd be interested in seeing some of the advantages of my machine.
Well, I'm sorry, but we already have a Hoover vacuum cleaner. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.
You mean if I wanted it? If I came all the way up the stairs and I'm telling you didn't want it? It's not my fault. You shut me out.
Get in here and stop that crying. Sometimes you act just like a child. Show me. How does it work?
Just a minute.
Did you hold that a minute, please? I certainly will. Oh, the tide! Oh, look! The tide! It's caught the vacuum! Whoa! Stanley, do something!
Very powerful.
Oh! Never mind. Turn this. Hold out your hand. Go ahead, hold it out. What else does it do?
Very good for drapes.
Oh, sometimes you try my patience, Stanley. Oh, never mind that. Let me do it. You'll probably wind up hurting yourself. Oh, be careful. Oh. Well, plug it in. You heard me. Plug it in.
Say, Oliver. Ollie. Sit in the cupboard and the room will send you. Ollie. Excuse me, my friend fell out the window. I've got to save him.
Well, Stanley? This is another nice mess you got me into.
Ah, that was great. Great. And there you have the vacuum cleaner salesman as it might have been played by the great comedy team of Laurel-Hardy. And now, let's see how much things have changed in the last 30 years. Now, here's another version of the vacuum cleaner salesman as it might be played today by the great combination of Jackie-Gleason and Art-Carney.
How do you do, madam? I represent the Hoover-Vaccum cleaner company, and I was just wondering if I could interest you in the machine. No, I'd better do it with positive thinking. How do you... No!
Hey, Ruffy.
What are you doing here? You're supposed to be up here long ago. If we want to sell anything, we better practice. I got a great idea. Supposing we practice on each other. I'll be the salesman. You be the housewife.
That's a good idea, Ruffy.
I'll be the salesman. You'll be the housewife.
Oh, you're off.
How do you... Not off! I'm the salesman. You're the housewife.
So you're up. Hello, Dick.
That's better. How do you do? I represent the Hoover-Vaccum cleaner company.
Hey, that's good. I'll take 3.
Nothing. You're a metal case. Never mind. I'll be the housewife. You be the salesman. Take this and get out of here.
I'm sorry, Ralphie. How do you do, madam? I represent the Hoover-Vaccum cleaner company. I'd like to show you some of these on this fine machine.
Get that out! Now what does it do?
Well, sorry, Ralph.
Now sell this thing. Wrap up the sale like they have in the book.
Hey, Ralphie, you mean you're going to take one?
Yeah, I'll take one. Wrap up
Thanks,
the
Ralph.
sale.
I need the money.
I'm not really going to buy one. I'm just being wrap up the sale.
All right. Hey, you got a pencil, Ralphie?
No, I don't. Why don't you bring your own pencil? There's one in the drawer.
Hey, never mind. I got one, Ralph. Hey, you think you got a rough? You should have seen what Laurel did to Hardy.
Halt! Halt! Get out of here, Norton! One of these days, pow! Right in the kisser!
This portion of the Garry-Moore-Show has been brought to you by Hoover, maker of vacuum cleaners, steam and dry irons, and floor polishers.